Hello everyone and welcome to break 890 for the 2019 Hockey Vault Pack. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Current date and time according to eBay is Monday, June 17th, 2019. It's 10:54 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:54 p.m. Central Time, and 7:54 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Mule with 6 spots, Ken 3, Jesse with 4 spots, Mac with 4, A Gates with 6 spots, Robbie Light with 5 spots, Rob the Card Shark 1 spot, and he with 2 spots. We are going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. Mule's on top, he on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Mule on top, Jesse on the bottom. Mule, you're on top with the Ducks, and then he with the Coyotes, Mule Bruins, Ken Sabres, Robbie Light Flames, Jesse Hurricanes, Robbie Light Blackhawks, Ken Avalanche, A Gates Blue Jackets Stars, Rob the Card Shark Red Wings, Mac Oilers, A Gates Panthers, Ken Kings, Robbie Light Wild, Mule Canadiens Predators, Jesse with the Devils, Robbie Light with the Islanders, he with the Rangers, Jesse Senators, Mac with the Flyers, Mule Penguins, A Gates Blues, Robbie Light Sharks, A Gates with the Lightning, Mac Leafs Canucks, Gates Knights, Mule Capitals, and Jesse with the Winnipeg Jets. So here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. We'll peek here. There we are. Okay. So we have ourselves, Glenn Hall, goalie, Chicago Blackhawks. We have a Hall of Fame induction signature puck. This is 1 of 3. So that is a mini puck inside of Glenn Hall. 1 of 3. Hall of Famer 75 for the Chicago Blackhawks. Very nice. 1 of 3. So autograph hockey puck of Glenn Hall of 3 for the Blackhawks. The Chicago Blackhawks is going to Robbie Light. Congrats, Robbie, on this Glenn Hall beauty here. Goalie for the Blackhawks, autographed hockey puck within the card, 1 of 3. Congrats. I want to thank all of you for getting the break. We really do appreciate it and all the support. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon, and please stick around for that bonus break spot. Thanks.